teacher Julie, and today we are going to discuss our topic. We have division of polynomials. So, let's have this one. Do you remember what are polynomials? Yes, these are our polynomials. So, you recall your lesson in previous years? This one is a polynomial, this one is a polynomial. So, you have the monomial, binomials. That depends on the number of terms. So, we will be having a division of a polynomial by a polynomial here, which is a binomial. So, how are we going to do this one? We will be using the long method. First step, we have to write our dividend in standard form. So, where is our dividend here? Find the quotient when 7x cubed minus 10x plus 11x squared minus 5 is divided by x plus 2. Automatically, this is what we call our dividend. And this one is our divisor. So our dividend should be written in standard form. It should be in decreasing powers of exponent. Meaning, nagkaubos ang value sa iyang exponent by 1. So, in this case, kinsa may kinatasan ng exponent sa itong variable, then that is our, muna itong unahon. So, 7x cubed, ang musunod anak niya will be lower sa iyang exponent, and that is, should be 11x squared. Kabantay mo? And then, we have negative 10x followed by minus 5. Divided by our divisor, which is a polynomial. So, we'll have here, divided by x plus 3. Before we are going to divide our polynomial by this one, I want you to look at our dividend. What is the degree of our polynomial? What's the degree? The degree refers to the highest exponent of the variable. Our variable here is x. So what's the degree? Unsa may kinatasan nga exponent sa atong variable? And the answer is 3 is the highest exponent of the variable. Therefore, this polynomial is what we called a third degree polynomial. The degree of polynomial is third degree because the highest exponent of the variable, ang kinatasan nga exponent sa atong variable kay 3, muna siyang third degree polynomial. Naapuday gitawag nga leading term. Kanang leading term, that's the term nga makita sa sinugdanan kay nga gahawid sa pinakataas nga exponent sa atong variable. So, our leading term here is 7x cubed because this is the term that holds the highest exponent of the variable. And, napo tayo gitawag nga leading coefficient. So, kung kinsa may atong gahawid anang highest exponent of the variable, mura po na itong leading coefficient. So, kinsa man? Yes, our leading coefficient is 7. So, that's how we determine the parts of our polynomials. Let's proceed with the division of our polynomial by our binomial. The first thing to do in dividing polynomial by this one is i-divide natog una kanang first term sa dividend sa first term sa divisor. Kana ra gyud ang unang step 1, mag-divide ta. So kinsa may atong i-divide? Ang 7x cubed, i-divide nato siya sa first term sa divisor which is x. Pilay answer. Of course, 7, walay tao diri, it means na 1. 7 divides 1, so the answer is still 7. X cubed divides x. Of course, answer is x squared. Nakuha. Your answer, which is 7x squared, will be written at the top of your dividend. So, we'll have 7x squared. That's it. Humana ka sa imong first step, which is divide. Your second step is to multiply. Sa yun rin i-multiply rin nimo ang imong answer which is your quotient nga 7x squared sa divisor tanan. I repeat, ang imong answer nga quotient which is 7x squared will be multiplied to the divisor which is x plus 3. O pila may answer ana niya? We will be applying the distributive property of multiplication. 7x squared will be multiplied anang naa, first term sa atong binomial, and then 7x squared will be multiplied on that second term of our binomial. Let's multiply. 7x squared times x, of course, answer is 7x cubed. Alangan, duha ka x o isa ka x, so there will be x cubed. Next, 7x squared times 3. So the answer will become positive. 7 times 3 will become 21x squared. And that's the product when you multiply our quotient by its divisor. Your answer now will be written at the bottom part of our dividend. Dili sa ubos niya. Nga parihan niyag numerical coefficient. Our answer there is 7x cubed plus 21x squared. Next, you are done with your second step. Your third step now is to subtract. Kabalura mo subtract? Very good. Ang inyong isubtract ing anira. You have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to the rule of addition. Sa Bisaya, ilisa ninyo ang tanang sign sa ikaduha nga terms na to. So, this will become, kay wala man ni sign, may man ni siyang negative. Kaning positive karon, ma-change ni siya, it will become negative. And proceed to the rule of addition. So, this will no longer be minus, but will become plus. So, combine like terms, 7x cubed minus 7x cubed, automatically it's 0. No need to write. Next, 11x squared plus negative 21x squared. What's the answer? Dili man sila parihag sign, so ato silang i-minus. And the answer is negative 10x squared. Nganong negative 10? Kaya gikopya ni mo ang sign sa dako nga number. So that's negative. We just copy our literal coefficient, which is x squared. The next step is bring down. Ang pinakasayon. So the next term nga wala pa na minus will be bring down. So minus 10x. That's it. These are the 4 steps. You just go back to the step 1. So, it's a continuous process. Okay, so balik na po ta. Divide na po nato ato ang first term sa atong dividend sa first term sa atong divisor. So, that will become, divide ta dire. For example, we have negative 10x squared divided by x. So, of course, the constant will still be negative 10. X squared divides x, makancel ang usa, so nabilin nga isa, so that will become negative 10x. So, the answer that we get will be put at the top, will become minus 10x. Kaya negative man siya. Okay. This negative 10x now, the next thing you're going to do is to multiply again. Negative 10x multiplied by our divisor, x plus 3. So, just continue. Negative 10x times x, answer is negative 10x squared. Negative 10x times 3 will become, yes, negative 30x. O di human kag multiplication, now proceed to subtraction. So, the sign in the subtrahend will be changed. So, this will become positive. This will become positive. And then, proceed to the rule of addition. Dili parehag sign, subtract. So, 0 ang nabilin. Negative 10x plus positive 30x. Answer is yes. 20x. After that, we are going to bring down. Bring down negative 5. Going back again to our step, we have divide. So, first step again, first term of our dividend divided by again by first term of our divisor. So, 20x divided by x, answer is absolutely, it's positive 20. 20 now will be multiplied to the divisor. So, 20 times x will become 20x. 20 times 3 will give you plus 16. Are you following? Let's continue. We can now subtract. You change the sign here. This will become negative. This will become negative. So, this 20 here, proceed to the rule of addition. So, 20x plus negative 20, so this is 0 automatically. This is negative 5 plus negative 60. Answer is negative 65. Naapa i-bring down? So since there's no more, then we are done. The last answer that you will get automatically is your remainder. And the answer on the top is what we called our quotient. And in written, we are going to write our final answer. So the quotient, when 7x cubed minus 10x plus 11x squared minus 5 is divided by x plus 3 is 7x squared minus 10x plus 20 plus our remainder, which is negative 65 all over. You write a continuation on finding the quotient when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So last time, we were able to get the quotient by using long division. Today, I will be showing to you a shortcut on finding the quotient using what we call synthetic division. We are going to find out if we will arrive to the same quotient using synthetic division. The same given that we have right now. So are you following? Okay, this is very crucial, so it's very important. The first thing you will be doing is you have to arrange always your dividend in decreasing order or in standard form. So, last time, our 7x cubed minus 10x plus 11x squared minus 5 has been arranged to in decreasing order. So, that will become 7x cubed plus 11x squared minus... We are now going to get the numerical coefficients. So, pangkuhaon na to ang mga numerical coefficients ha, in order ha. Okay. So, magsugod sa x cubed, the numerical coefficient is 7. Sa x squared, ang numerical coefficient is 11. Sa x, negative 10. O sa constant, we have negative 5. Take note na kung makulangan ni siya o variable kay 3, 2, 1, decreasing man na, magdungag jud kag 0. I repeat. Listen kayo. Pananglitan. Kung wala jud ning 11x squared diri, ang nakabutang lang kay 7x cubed minus 10x minus 5, di ba nawala ang x squared? Ang imo jud ibutang para sa x squared kay naagi ni siya 0 diri. Nakuha? So dili na siya magsunod paubos. Okay, now let's proceed with our divisor. Our divisor is x plus 3 and it follows the pattern x minus r. So we are going to get the r. Since this is x plus 3, to get our r, so this will become plus money, makuha nato na siyang ato ang r as negative 3. So this is our divisor, negative 3. Next, we are now going to proceed with our division using synthetic division. First, the leading coefficient bring down. So, ato na siyang i-bring down ng leading coefficient, 7. After that, this leading coefficient will be multiplied to the divisor. 7 times negative 3, the answer is negative 21. Ang answer ana niya, we will be writing that one to the next term. Tapad ni 7. So, sa 11. So, tungod niya. And then, proceed to the rule of addition. 11 plus negative 21, dili man parihag sign, so our answer is negative 10. Nganong negative? Kay mas dako si 21, so ang iyang sign may ato ang i-follow. The same step, negative 10 multiplied again by the divisor. Negative 10 times negative 3, we'll get our answer, which is positive 30. And then, add negative 10 plus 30, dili parihag sign na pod atong i-minus. Since dako ang 30, so our sign is positive. Continue. 20 na pod, i-multiply na pod nato sa atong divisor. 20 times negative 3, answer is negative 60. And we have to add negative 5 plus negative 60. Since parihaman silang sign, so ato siyang i-add, our answer is negative 65. We copy the sign. Ang katapusang answer nga nigawa sa atong quotient automatically is our remainder. And the terms here sa bottom part on our third row will be the numerical coefficient of our quotient. So, unsaon man nato na paghimo, ipanulat ra nato na ilahang mga numerical coefficient, 7, sunod, negative 10, sunod, 20. Pagkahuman, atong balikon og tanaw ato ang dividend, ang highest exponent diri kay x cube, minusan nato 1, magsugod na ta karon og x squared. Magpaubos ta gamay, 7x squared minus 10, sumpay, x, wala man siya sign, it means positive. And this is now the quotient plus our remainder, which is negative 65. I-divide na to daan kung unsa yung divisor, which is x plus 3. And this is our answer when 7x cubed minus 10x plus 11x squared minus 5 is divided by x plus 3. Look at the quotient using synthetic division, and please look at the quotient when we are going to use long division. So, which do you prefer, guys? Synthetic na tabay? Long division na ta? That's it. I hope you understand on how we divide polynomials using long division and synthetic division.